I can see both, you know, like it's.
Okay, stop, no bad, no bad. I'm be changing couple things, that's it. Come over, please. I'm gonna. The more important to me for PIAF, when the people got in trouble in the PIAF, is because people don't do it in the forehand enough. Okay, and the forehand enough.
I don't know. I think he said on the forehand. Didn't he say on the forehand
Right
enough?
here. Si es a problem, I do it in hand. I don't think so be a problem. All right there. Don't walk. Stay right there. Stay right there. Up. And don't drop it. I'm not dropping it. Up. That's the way you controlling the tempo. Eventually, you keeping the leg, the longer you want up. Okay? And she really having that problem, she in that leg, and the inside leg, she's a little lazy. Especially I can see right here. Especially she don't keeping the shoulder forward. Okay? And why she didn't do that. Come over, please. Lock his neck. Hold. 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 Forget the piano. Forget the piano. I'm forgetting it. Oh, so funny. That is the magic. That is the magic I make. I say forget the piaf and the horse piaf. But see, I told you to piaf, she don't piaf.